Bike number 3. This one's a 1982 Honda CM200T. Pretty sure they called this one the Twinstar. This one looks like it's a pretty complete bike. Worst thing about this one is we did not get a title for it, so probably going to be a parts bike for somebody, unless you live in one of those southern states that you don't need a title for an older bike. They come with a bill of sale. Sorry, that sun's making it hard to see anything on this side. Engine turns over fine. We put it in. Is this the automatic? No. But yeah, we put it in gear and the engine turned over. I can show you that. Let's see here. Got a little bit of rust on some things. Brake pedal's rusty. A little bit of rust on the head pipes there. That'd probably clean up to look decent with some 4/0 steel wool. Tires, based on this thing's only got 2,879 miles on it. And all these old Hondas came with Bridgestone tires, and this one still has Bridgestone, so I'd say these are the original 1982 tires. So if you're going to put it on the road, you'll definitely want tires. These were kickstart and electric start, so best of both worlds. Seat on this one looks really good. It's the original seat cover, and I don't see any rips or tears in it. So seat covers probably the most valuable thing on the bike. If you're going to part it out, I imagine you get a couple $100 out of that seat. It's got some kind of fancy skull paint job going on here. Not sure if that was an airbrush job or some kind of one of those dips, but it's so intricate that leads me to believe it was probably one of those dips, because that would be very time consuming to airbrush. I don't know why you'd put that much time into a 200 Twinstar, but same thing. Rear tires ancient, so probably been off the road a long time according to that tag. March of '92, so what is that, about 33 years she's been up off the road at least. So also do not have a key. Got this bike, acquired it with a handful of, it was a part of a package deal for several bikes. So, and this is just one that we do not have a need for. And even once, these are great bikes to learn on and to ride. They're not real valuable, so it doesn't pay us to put the time and effort into putting it back on the road, so we'll pass it along. Well, maybe one of you guys want to, or if you need parts, got an excellent 2,800 mile engine there, or some body work, or a seat. Looks pretty original. Pretty sure these are the original grips, likely the original mirrors, even though they're rusted. So without the keys, I can't get into the gas tank to show you what's in there, but likely it's rust. That's pretty typical. It's got all of its turn signals. I don't see any of them broke off or anything. Decal. Rusty shocks. Rusty chain. But looks pretty complete. I mean, the carburetor's all hooked up. There's even an old ancient battery over there still in it. So I'm sure it could be made to live again if you wanted. Drum brakes front and rear, so you don't have to worry about rebuilding hydraulic brake calipers or anything. So, oop, broken mirror. Chrome looks, I mean, not perfect, but say 4/0 steel wool will go a long way on this bike, so it could be brought back. There it is, 1982 Honda CM200T. Thanks for watching.